Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make Among Us in Scratch, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is make a sprite, paint it. This will be your wall, so go ahead and make it like a wall. And then add a new costume, add a dot in the middle, and this will be for the cheating the size. And then go ahead and duplicate that. And then these will be the walls, so go ahead and make some walls. And then boom. Okay, so now inside of the kitty cat, which will later be an Among Us figure, when green flag clicked, make some variables, X and Y for all sprites. And also, this is part 1 of this series, but if you want to see more parts, like part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, eventually even making it multiplayer, be sure to comment down below if you want to see more, and subscribe and like the video. And then, set them to 0. Forever, if touching sprite 3, which are the walls. Oh, but first, delete the background here of this, because these are the walls, and we don't need walls everywhere, just on where we want the walls. So now, if touching sprite 3, if key up pressed, and then go ahead and nest an if touching sprite 3, then, but here, change Y by 3, and I'll move it up. And then, but if it's touching sprite 3, it'll change Y by -3, repeating that until it is not touching the walls anymore. So, perfect. So, now go ahead and duplicate all of that. Oopsies. So go ahead and duplicate all of that, put it right at the bottom, and then just make it for the down arrow, and then just invert the numbers, and then duplicate both of those, and then these will be for right and left arrows. So right, change X now, and then left, X again. Okay, so good. Now, in the sprite 2, when green flag clicked, go to back layer, because this is the back. Go to back layer, forever, go to, and then add 2 minuses on each side of this, and then -1 on one side of each. Go to X -1 and Y -1. But first, we'll need to get the size hack. So, it'll need to go to 0, 0, and then switch its costume to costume 2, which is the dot. Set its size to 500, and then switch its costume to costume 1, and then that should make it perfect. And then you can go ahead and just duplicate that code and put it into there, and then it should be working. So now if we go, oh, but really, we do want to make this kind of look good, don't we? So, if key left, point in direction -90, and then if it's right, it will point in direction 90. So now, when we go, oh, never mind. Oh, yes. Set rotation style left and right. So now, if we go, we're going this way. It doesn't look like we're moving until we get to, if we show these 2 variables, we can actually check if we are moving or not. Oh, looks like we aren't moving. Oh yeah, because this needs to go to the front layer, not the back layer. So it was hiding from us. So now, it should work. See, there's the wall. We can't run into it, and we can't go through it. So yeah. Nice. So, remember, if you want a part 2, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment that you want another one, okay? So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.